Hi and welcome to Rainbow Unicorn Cat 1 channel. In this video, I'm going to unbox the Halloween costumes that American Girl released in 2023. This is a promo image from their website. I'm not going to be unboxing the skeleton costume because that one came out last year, and this year they just brought it back without any changes. These are the sets that I'm going to be unboxing today. And by the way, if you're new to this channel and interested in all American Girl related content, but not yet a subscriber yet, you should definitely subscribe to our channel. And if you turn on the notification bell, YouTube will always let you know when we upload a new video. We post all the latest American Girl news, crafts, and unboxing. We post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes we post on other days as well. I'm going to start with this Chants and Charms Witch costume, which retails for $40 on American Girl website right now. This one's super similar to last year's Spooky Spells outfit. It's just kind of a recolor. Whatever was teal last year, this year is pink. I personally would have preferred either purple or orange instead of pink. Who knows, maybe that's what we'll get next year. Now let's take a look at it. The broom. Very, very similar, pretty much identical to last year's broom. It's plastic, it has a handle for a doll to hold on to. Exactly the same as last year. The dress looks exactly the same as the one from last year's Spooky Spells costume. So the black fabric, it's stretchy, it's kind of like activewear, kind of a cosplay fabric. The buckle is metal, which I think is a nice touch. The belt is attached to the dress. There's no way to remove it. The top of the dress is made out of mesh fabric. It is see-through. Yeah, it's a nice dress. At first glance, the hat seems to be made out of the same fabric as the dress, but it doesn't feel stretchy. I don't know if there's something fused to the back of it, but it just doesn't. The shoes. These are different from the original version, and I think from last year's version too. They're made out of vinyl. They're not stiff like the original version. There's glitter inside the vinyl, and the shoelaces are stretchy, so it's going to be easy to put it on your doll's feet. If you remember, the first version of the Spooky Spells boots was hard plastic, and I'm really happy that American Girl ditched them. The fingerless gloves are made out of the exactly same fabric as the dress. It's very stretchy. I think they're such a nice touch. They go so well with the rest of the outfit. And here are the striped socks. Black and pink stripes, really cute. This is everything that comes in this set. And I gotta say, whoever designed the original Spooky Spells outfit did a fantastic job. Did I already say that I'm not the biggest fan of pink in this outfit? I'm not. I wish it was a different color. I loved the teal version. I think orange or purple would also be good options for this because this is what you see on witch costumes in real life. But this pink also works. It's still cute. And again, this is just because the original one was designed so well. And I'm impressed how they went from the boots that were originally plastic, and a lot of people complained. So American Girl actually listened and got rid of those boots. And these are made out of vinyl, which is also not the best material because it deteriorates with time. But at least it's not hard plastic that just feels so cheap. But I have to admit that these shoes weren't actually that easy to put on. One was like medium easy, and the second one was really hard. So I'm hoping it's just my outfit. If you ran into the same issue with this particular outfit, let me know in the comments. The next outfit I'm going to open is Midnight Bat outfit. This is a brand new outfit. This is the first year it was released. It also retails at $40 as all the other Halloween outfits this year. I was actually really excited to see this one because it's a completely new design. And I don't think American Girl has made a bat costume before. Let me know in the comments if they have, but I don't think so. Okay, look at this. These boots are so cute. I just love those bat wings on the side. This is such a nice touch. The designer did an amazing job. You see, the boots are very similar to the witch boots, except the bat boots have wings. I think these are actually cool boots to wear, not just for Halloween, but they just like really goth. If you dress your dolls in goth clothes, these are cool. This is the main piece of this outfit. It's just one piece. It unzips in the middle. The fabric they use is super stretchy. There are those little loops on each sleeve. Those go on a doll's finger. The wings part are sparkly. They're also kind of cosplay fabric. And the back is very plain black. So the fabric that they use is very stretchy, and you could see that used for leotards in real life. I believe it can snag, so you'd have to be careful with this costume. Look at this hairband, so adorable. It's made entirely out of plastic, and it has bat wings on top. There's glitter inside the plastic. The tights are really cute. They actually have this mesh pattern. I can definitely see them as a part of a goth outfit. This is the entire outfit. Let me know if you think it's worth $40. I think it's really cute. I think it's different. This one is definitely my favorite from this year's Halloween release. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. I do wish they used a different type of fabric, as this one seems to be prone to snags. And I know that as much as I try to be careful dressing my dolls, I still do get them in similar types of fabric. But the look is amazing. I love it. The third new outfit that was released this year is this trick-or-treat candy costume. It's clearly inspired by candy corn, and I know some people love it and some people hate it. Let me know in the comments, what is your opinion on candy corn? Regardless of the candy's reputation, the outfit, the candy corn outfit right here, is super cute. I think I've seen very similar off-brand outfits for 18-inch dolls for a while on Amazon. An American Girl decided to make their own. This one is also $40, just in case I haven't mentioned that yet. Okay, look how cute these are. I really like the shoes. Look, they are vinyl with glitter inside. So cute. These are definitely special occasion shoes. You would not be wearing those to school. They're great for this particular outfit. They remind me of the Birthstone collection shoes, actually. Very similar style. Okay, so here is the candy corn outfit itself. It's all one piece. It's a dress. It has this kind of satin fabric. The entire outfit is made out of the same type of fabric. The bottom of each tier is kind of cut and finished. It's not bent several times and sewed over. I don't know how to describe it, but it's not a raw edge. It's somehow finished. Honestly, the quality is not super great, and I can see this being an off-brand outfit, just the dress. It is cute though, and the shoes are definitely nice. The headband has this little witch hat with a candy corn pattern on it. This one is actually really, really cute. And the bow, the ribbon, those are really made of real ribbon. I do like this headband. And the last piece from this outfit is tights. These are just regular black tights with white polka dots. They are simple. They're made out of stretchy fabric. They're really cute. Overall, I think altogether this makes for a very cute outfit. It's not something groundbreaking or very unique, but it is definitely very cute. The last item I'm about to open is this trick-or-treat set. It can go with any of the Halloween costumes currently available. Right now it retails at $28, which seems just a tad high for this kind of set. Let me know in the comments what you think about the price increase. I feel like very similar sets sold for like $25 last year. So I'm gonna first open this trick or treat basket shaped like a jack-o'-lantern. It's actually really similar to those miniature ones from Walmart or Dollar Tree, although the ones I found at Dollar Tree this year are green. It's a nice photo prop, but all the candy that comes in this set is not gonna fit inside. Here's a size comparison with a cauldron from Dollar Tree. So it is slightly larger than jack-o'-lanterns from Dollar Tree. I'm not sure about the Walmart version. Now let's take a look at candy corn. And this is just a cardboard package made to look like candy corn package. There's nothing inside and you can't open it, but other than that, it's pretty realistic. I'm actually thinking about making candy corn candy from polymer clay. Let me know if you'd like to see that video on our channel. Next are 2 chocolate bars. These are actually sold at American Girl stores right now. There's actual chocolate made out of plastic inside, like chocolate bars. So if you open the package, there will be a chocolate bar, although I'm not going to open it. I'm just going to keep it there, but you can feel it through the package. Actually, I apologize. Those were not chocolate bars. Those were graham crackers covered with chocolate. Now, this is a popcorn mix. It has some candy that looks like M&Ms and candy corn. If you put it on top, it looks like your entire basket is filled with popcorn mix. It barely fits in the basket. You also get 2 lollipops in this set. The first one is shaped like a ghost, and it has this plastic thing on the handle so a doll could hold it. Really, really cute. And there's a second lollipop that's shaped like a jack-o'-lantern. I'm going to try and fit all of the items that came in the set in this basket, but they're just not going to fit. You can fit in most of them, but not all of them at the same time, which I guess is okay. You can still use it for play or photo props. I think the items are really, really cute. That popcorn mix looks super realistic. And here are all the items that came in this set. Let me know in the comments if you got this set or if you're planning to purchase it. Here are my overall thoughts on this year's costumes. I love the designs of all of them. The bat costume is my personal favorite, and I absolutely love the shoes that came with it. However, I'm a little bit concerned about the quality and the stretchy fabric that usually doesn't age well, kind of starts deteriorating with time. I don't know if this is a better and improved kind of a fabric that is not going to do that. I guess time will tell. Let me know in the comments which outfits you like, which ones you got this year or planning to get. I would also love to hear what Halloween outfits you'd like American Girl to make next year. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like button. And if you turn on the notification bell, YouTube will always notify you when we upload a new video. We post all the latest American Girl news, crafts, and unboxing. We post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes we post on other days as well. Thanks for watching and see you next time.